Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll dive straight into the irregular verbs from 21 until 30. Stay tuned. The most used verbs in any language are almost always irregular verbs, which means these verbs do not follow the normal rules. In this playlist, you will read those irregulars and hear those irregulars, so you can practice the writing and the pronouncing. Buy, bought, bought. Can, could, and because there's no past participle, we use been able. Catch, caught, caught. Choose, chose, chosen. Cling, clung, clung. Come, came, come. Cost, cost, cost. Creep, crept, crept. Cut, cut, cut. And deal, dealt, dealt. Let's try that a bit faster. Try and practice with me so you can learn the pronunciation. Buy, bought, bought. Can, could. Catch, caught, caught. Choose, chose, chosen. Cling, clung, clung. Come, came, come. Cost, cost, cost. Creep, crept, crept. Cut, cut, cut. Deal, dealt, dealt. Good job. Make sure to keep on practicing and rewatch the video if needed.